Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that ResearchCoin. Now before we start the video, let's share my legal disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. Do your own research for the investing. According to the white paper, ResearchCoin RSC is the utility and governance token for Research Hub, a decentralized platform designed to accelerate open specific collaboration by rewarding contributors. Purpose: it incentivizes and funds open scientific research, acting as the economic engine for a GitHub for science. Utility: users earn RSC for valuable contributions like sharing literature or peer review and spend it on bounties. Tips and governance. Technology: it is an ERC20 token primarily deployed on the base network for fast low-cost transactions while being backed by Ethereum security. ResearchCoin project institution rating is 4. ResearchCoin total supply is 1 billion and circulating supply is around 129.5 million RSC token. RSC token is listed on popular centralized exchanges like Coinbase, Gate.io, MEXC, Kraken and other exchanges. If I share my opinion with you, then this project up to 85% chances is that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.